Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Soundboard on Discord. If you wanna go ahead and use a Soundboard, so what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and open up your web browser, go to Discord login, and tap on the Discord option. No direct way of logging in. So you have to go and press the three dot icon. First of all, go to desktop side. As you do that, at the bottom you can see open Discord in your browser. Press that. As soon as you do that, you'll be logged in if your credential is already valid. Now next thing, once you're logged in, you want to tap the three dot icon one more time and go to desktop side and disable it. Once you've actually done it, so now tap the tab bar icon from the top right, go to the profile or the server. Then once you're on the server, then click the server settings option from the top. After that, you could find Soundboard right in center. Go ahead and press that. If you want to go ahead and use it, so click the upload sound button option. Now you could browse the file, give a name to it, relate an emoji and all that. So this way you can use Soundboard on Discord. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.